What's going on, everyone? Getting out here for day 44. I'm excited to be back out here making a video today. Sorry I missed yesterday. You know, I did ride, but we were actually doing an Avalanche safety course, my AST1. I'm kind of embarrassed to say that I didn't have my AST1. I did have the classroom stuff, but not the field. So we finally got that done. And I definitely want to get my level 2 here, either this year or the start of next year. Just looking at the clock here, it's 11:01 on the dot. Lots of you guys are probably seeing the new Skidoos being released right now. I already seen some Ninja Turtle memes. I think it's cool that they're doing something different. This is a rowdy little climb through here. Wow, these old tracks are hard as hell. It's like ice. Woo! I think it'd be fun to do time trials up that.
It'd be so rowdy.
going for round 2. Oh, he's gonna win. He actually went through the gate. Definitely still seeing some avalanche activity out here. So just because the rating has gone down to moderate, you know, it's still letting loose in the trees in the more open spots. I believe this is our tracks here from the other day. I was thinking we could drop through here, but looks pretty gnarly. Tree riding isn't even a challenge right now because you could literally just go anywhere you want. Uh-oh. Oh no! I don't think I'll get going. Nope. I don't know if this is one of our guys, but it must be lost over there. Because we are over here. Whoever that is, isn't on the radio. So we're strobing them. Oh, they see us. That's too funny.
mental roller coaster.
Not sure what we're doing here, but we're doing man things.
Okay.
3,
2,
1.
Oh, baby! Oh! Oh my god! Oh, it avied. Oh, look at the chunks flying down.
That's a huge chunk of snow.
I mean, not as exciting as
No, but
what I was hoping for, but it was still pretty cool.
Yeah.
Whoopsie. Well, we should find Ben just out here. I'm thinking. I smell a fire. I think he's set up for the night. What's going on, lumberjack?
oh, you know, just waiting for my friend.
Had some good fun out there today, doing some time trials up that drainage, and then we kind of just screwed around for the rest of the day and didn't really do too much riding, but it's a good day. I just want to let you guys know I won't have a video up tomorrow morning. It should be up in the afternoon though. And yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.